Hello guys, welcome back. Today we're gonna go to the park. And so you know that we pack everything, and here's my bag. Look what's inside my backpack. Hold it. Look, there's some crackers, towels in case we get messy for our mouth, and yogurt drink. Isn't it cool? So that's all. I didn't pack a lot of snacks because we're gonna go get some pizza. That's why. And do you know why I'm wearing a cap? Because of the sun. Because I don't know where's my sunglasses, and we're moving to the dogs. And we're gonna feed them and buy some pizza and eat it over there. And we'll have so much fun. So first we're on our way to buy pizza. Pizza, pizza, pizza. Pizza, pizza, pizza. We are going to buy some pizza now. First, I want pizza pepperoni, Daddy. Yeah, because I never tried pizza with pepperoni before. Yeah, also with cheese.
Maybe vegetable pizza. Veggies.
Yeah, also, yeah, but I don't like the vegetable. Only the cheese and pepperoni. Yeah, but I only like those. So we'll go buy some pizza, and here we are. Oh, yummy! Oh, go. Now we'll go wait for our pizza.
No, it's 10 minutes. Let's check for other pizzas.
Too sad that there's no pizzas, a real pizza there, so we'll go find for another pizza store. But Daddy,
What?
but then the seller from there will get disappointed that the customer's not there anymore.
Where?
On that pizza store for breakfast, she will get confused that the customer's not there. Daddy.
Because they don't have it available yet.
Yeah, but then the seller will get confused, Daddy.
For what?
For the customer because they run away.
We didn't run away.
Yes, we did.
Because they don't have available pizza, so we're gonna find another pizza store.
But yes, we did. We ran away.
But we didn't buy anything.
So it's not like running away.
So we're on the other pizza store. Now Daddy's buying a pizza. It's awesome. Hey!
15-20 minutos.
I hope I like. Daddy, I also pepperoni, Daddy.
They don't have available yet also. So let's just go to McDo.
Let's go to McDonald's.
Since there's no pizza, we'll go get some McDonald's! French fries!
What do you like?
Hamburger the best because it's delicious!
And what else?
What else?
Toy. So we are here at McDonald's on the line. So here's Daddy. Get McDonald's.
Let's go. Okay.
Ready now? Yay! Yay! Hey, open it.
Here.
See you now.
Weed every day.
Wow! Okay, open it.
Yeah, you can open it.
Yay! Open. I wonder what toy it is. What toy is that? What is this? Interesting. Cool yogurt. What else? Cool ketchup. French fries. And they have a burger. Wow, look at that big statue. Yeah, at the park. Here. Are you here now?
Here.
Yay! You're here at the park. Come on. Wait, which way do we go now? Straight the path? Here? Oh, so while I'm doing my video, Mom and Daddy are preparing the food. So I have a corn. Oh, and the yogurt. Oh, and the fish dessert. And I have a burger. Could you open this please, Mama? And Daddy.
What's this?
I wonder what it
It
is.
says trolls.
Well, that means
Is it wrong?
Oh, look at this dog. It's very new.
What are you doing, Daddy? Here we have sticks. So I can see a white one, a black one, a white, gray, and green.
Con una pasión tan fuerte. Ay, 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 ay. Ahora sigo cantando y sigo gozando. Yo sigo cantando y sigo gozando.
I am just relaxing, and here's my, come on, and here's my mom, and here's my dad. We're gonna clean up and then walk around, and then we're gonna go buy some snacks. So good.
Con tu flor de santa, eso te hace única entre tantas. Seré tu daddy cuando viejito. Tú llegaste aquí.
Get it.
Is it good?
Yeah, they're so cool.
Eres como yo exagero y no te mareas porque esto es en serio. Quiero que me quieras como yo te quiero, como yo te quiero. Con papel, flor muy bien.
Let's see the giraffe. Yay! Let's go. Guys, the giraffe is not moving. Cuckoo. What? Okay, guys, sorry, it was moving. I'm so sorry. Look. See? It's nothing. Look what my backpack can do. It can. It's not only pink. It can turn into. Whoa! Gray! Whoa! 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 Because it's sequins. It's flippy sequins. See? Look. Flippy sequin. Flippy sequin. Dee 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 dee. Let's make a mermaid. Pink on this side, gray on this side, because you will be a mermaid.
A few moments later.
We're home now. That's it for today, guys.